Yes, good morning everyone. So now the next topic is refraction of light. Okay, we were studying the chapter light, reflection and refraction. We have completed the topic reflection and now we will be going with refraction of light. Whenever light falls on the surface of a material, three phenomena are possible. Yes, three phenomena. If the light beam bounces back in the same medium, it is called reflection. Yes, we have discussed it in the last videos. Okay, and alternatively, if the light beam is passing through the medium, it is called to be as the transmission. And if the light beam is absorbed by the material of the medium, it is called absorption. So whenever any propagation of light will be there, so there are some properties: reflection, absorption and transmission. Either one of the phenomenon or a combination of them occurs at every situation. So we are discussing about the refraction. So refraction, it occurs due to the transmission of light. What happens that when the light moves from one medium to the another medium, some changes occurs in its properties. And for example, we can say like change in the speed of light. Whenever it is passing from one medium to the another, it is called to be as the refraction. So refraction of light, it takes place when light travels from one medium to the another and light bends while passing from one medium to the another. And this bending, it occurs because of the differences in the speed of light in different media. Okay, so let me tell you the example. You can perform this example at your home. Take two glasses of glass which are transparent. Put two pencils separately into different glasses. Now you can see that the pencil, they are straight. Yes, the next step is you have to fill one of the glass with the water. Now what you will see? You will see that there occurs a bend in the pencil. Yes, so that is because of the refraction of light. So this is what we have to understand in this chapter, refraction of light. Here I have given the definition. Refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light as it passes from one medium to the another. One medium to the another, as I am taking an example of the glass or a tumbler which is transparent, and first of all it was vacuum and then suddenly we filled it with water. So what? Its medium changes. First of all vacuum and then water. So there are two mediums. Vacuum, it is the rarer medium, and water, it is the denser medium. Yes, so from denser to rarer or from rarer to denser, the mediums, they are changing. Yes, so let us understand this one from this diagram I have drawn here. In reflection, the things were different, and in refraction the things are different, although the some things are same. Like this is the surface, you can see it as the interface. This here, it is the normal, and here again the incident ray of light, it is striking on the surface or in the interface. Now what happens in case of refraction? If the light ray is passing from denser to the rarer medium, that means from water to the vacuum. Okay, so what happens that the light ray, it moves away from the normal. Yes, it moves away from the normal. So this is the case 1. And what is the case 2? Case 2, it states that whenever any light ray is incidenting on the surface from rarer to the denser medium, that means from vacuum to the water, these two are the mediums. It is not necessary that only water and air we will be taking as the mediums. The mediums can be different. Okay, so what happens in this